So hi everyone, I am Kayyum and in this video we will going to learn about how to use a variable as a Linux command. Okay, so there are two ways we can do it. So let me tell you the first way. This is the first way by which we can use a variable as a Linux command. So we will start with a variable name. Okay, first we need to mention the variable name, then we should wrap our command inside dollar round bracket. Okay, so in this way we can do it. So let me show you an example for it. So here I'm using date command. Okay, so this command will give us the current date of the system. Okay, so this is how we can do it using the first method. So let create a script which is tester.sh. Let me change the permissions. Okay, 77, so that everyone can use it. Okay, let edit it. Get done, then bin bash. Okay, then here we need to get the free space. Okay, or say we want the host name. Okay, we want the host name. Okay, so here we will wrap our host name command within the dollar round bracket. Okay, so in this way we can use it. Okay, now we want the output, so we will intact the output string within double quotes. Okay, so the host name is and the year dollar and the host name variable in which we captivate our output. Okay, done. So this is the end. Okay, so let's save it. Now we will going to execute the test.sh script. So here you can see that we are getting output as this. The host name is pm.sh, and let me cat the tester.sh script. Okay, so here you can see that we have wrapped our host name command within dollar round bracket. Okay, and we are using it as a variable name. So our variable name is where host underscore name. Okay, so in this way we can use variable as a Linux command. Okay, so this is the first way. Now the second way by which we can do it, again we will need to give the variable name, then we need to wrap the command Linux command within the backtips. Okay, so here in this way, let me show you again. We will take the same example of date command, and you can see that we are getting the timestamp of the current date. Okay, so in this way we can use it. Let so now we need to edit the test.sh. Okay, so here what we will do, so let me comment it first, then host underscore name is equal to host name f. So you can see that we have just wrapped our host name command within the backtips. Okay, rest will be same. Now let execute the command, execute the shell, and you can see that we are getting the same output as of previously. So in this way we can use both the ways. Okay, this is the first way, right? This is the first way, and now this is the second way. Okay, second way. So these are the two ways by which we can do to use a variable as a Linux command. Okay, so this could be done. Okay, So guys, this will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video.